Hello, in this tutorial, I'll introduce you to different ways to cut blocks. During the tutorial, I'll show you how to cut a block by drawing the plane, use the protractor tool to cut blocks to a specific angle, and cut a block by selecting the plane. When drawing complex roof shapes, you may need to cut a block to create your desired geometry. There are two ways to do that in Designbuilder, and I will show you both.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.